Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum again. And today I have a virtual test drive of a 1961 Ford Thunderbird Roadster. Now as I'm walking around, I'm going to kind of fill you in what these videos are about. This is for the potential buyer to get a nice feel for how the car sounds when it's running, how it drives. For all other information when we get done, going over to volocars.com, we have the whole write-up and full description about all the facts we have. And also, if you haven't, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Real beautiful car. Like I said, this is going to be a driving video. Jace puts it on the turntable. We have 100 or so other pictures of everything. Door opens nice, shuts. It has the electric windows. I love that feature. It locks into place the steering wheel, but if you just push a little further into park, it gets over so easy in and out, especially with a lot of these big steering wheels. That's awesome. So here, let's go ahead and put on the seat belt. Here we are. Sorry about that. Clicked in. And I work in the shop here, so this is the first time any of us got a chance to get this out on the road. So if we find any hiccups or anything, it lets us know when we can address it or what we need to address. Radio works. I did put a couple gallons of gas in, so I know the fuel gauge works. Engine temp, we'll see if that's going up. I don't see the clock moving, but we'll see if it changed by the end of the road trip. Speedo's going up. For a 6-year-old car and only this much play in the steering wheel, that's pretty nice. Feels like a nice, easy ride. Steering's responsive. Brakes feel nice, not too tight, not too mushy. Sounds good going over this bumpy road so far. Whenever you buy a classic car that's 50, 60 years old, there will be little rattles here and there. What I look for is any major clanks, rubbing, but this one sounds really nice. Shift's pretty smooth. Not finding any complaints on this. Might have to get it over the alignment shop. Seems like it's pulling a little bit to the right. That's an easy fix. We'll open it up a little bit here. Pretty well. I like it. Can't beat a convertible. Power steering feels real nice. This has plenty get up and go. I'm just not treating it like some of our other kind of street rods, because if you want to race in this, that's on you, but this is more of a cruiser, have everyone looking at you. I absolutely love this car. Gorgeous outside, gorgeous inside. Really awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com for the whole write-up and everything, and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.